Hey guys, so I don't know about you guys, but I always envied morning people. They wake up early, love drinking coffee, work out, they eat avocado toast, oatmeal, whatever, And they're just really active. But I could never be them because realistically, I would sleep in and could only eat rice and soup for breakfast, or I would just skip it. And I could never work out in the morning. So here's my attempt at trying to be a morning person. I'm trying to change for the new year and hopefully you guys can too. Love ya! Good morning guys. So I don't drink coffee, but I'm just gonna show you what my mom drinks, okay? I only drink coffee sometimes, but we're gonna drink this one. It's Hawaiian coffee. And then I'm gonna show you how we make it. We're gonna put 2 scoops and then we're gonna pour the water over it.
I love coffee, smell good.
So I'm just gonna do a little taste test for you, even though I don't really drink coffee usually, But I do like coffee, it's just I don't really drink it often. It makes my body feel kind of weird. I have a little cup here for some coffee. Oh my gosh, okay. And then I'm gonna put some honey because I can't just eat it black. Some honey. Some macadamia milk. It's unsweetened. And mix it. It's really good. You can taste the honey. Kind of bitter though. Jan! Cheers! It's bitter. I'm not exaggerating, guys. I don't think my taste buds are fully developed to appreciate bitter stuff. My mom eats it black. Jan! Ugh. Okay, I can't eat it anymore. Guys, I ruined my egg because I forgot to put oil in the pan and then it came apart like this. But, oh well. It's still edible, right? Ta-da! Just like that. The best avocado toast, or whatever you want to call it. And then I have some bread. You know the drill, right? If you saw my other video. Some honey. This is non-toasted bread. Like that. or like the excess honey off the knife. Some nutso. I'm obsessed with this these days because it's like the texture is everything. And that's my breakfast. And that looks so good. Okay, I forgot the banana. It's still kind of a little unripe, but it's fine. Just a couple slices. You guys have to try it like this. That is so good. Oh yeah. That's so good. Can I have some everything but the bagel seasoning? This is my first time trying it. That's good. Tastes really oniony.